Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with SolidGigs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with SolidGigs, begin by visiting the SolidGigs website. Once there, explore the home page to understand the services offered. Look for the sign up button prominently displayed on the site. Click on sign up to initiate the registration process. Fill in your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password that meets their security requirements. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions. Next, check your email for a confirmation link from SolidGigs. Click the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, return to the SolidGigs website and log in with your credentials. Upon logging in, complete your profile by adding relevant skills and experience. Consider setting your preferences for alerts about new gigs. Navigate to the job listings area to explore available opportunities. You can filter the gigs based on categories that match your expertise. Select a gig that interests you to view more details. If you wish to apply, follow the submission instructions provided for each gig. Keep your application materials ready to streamline your application process. Monitor your email for updates regarding your applications. Engage with the SolidGigs community through forums or social media for networking. Regularly check back for new listings that may fit your skills. Utilize the resources provided by SolidGigs to improve your freelance skills. Stay proactive in applying for gigs to increase your chances of landing projects. By maintaining your profile and activity, you'll enhance your visibility to potential clients. Remember to update your profile as you gain new experiences or skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.